The worst thing about this is having to wear a hat all the time. So blonde. It's actually 3 days later, but I am gonna do my second part today. I'm surprised how light it got. This time I'm gonna use a little bit more bleach. Really, really saturate it. I'm gonna leave it on about an hour. About to put baby down to bed. Say good night. And Mama's about to go to town on her hair. Baby is sleeping. Kind of. And I am baking some sourdough bread. I absolutely love sourdough bread. Put this little cap over the foils. Baby is having a hard time napping, but I can't do anything about it. Here is my bread. It's looking awesome. Super happy with it. Praying that the baby will fall asleep so I can finish my hair. I am going to touch up the roots. I'm gonna keep the foils on the bottom, I think. So I'm just gonna take the foils off because I really wanna make sure I get an even bleach. I don't wanna feel stuck because I don't wanna bleach my hair anymore. I really wanna give it time to heal. So I washed this out so that it doesn't keep bleaching, and I'm gonna leave it on for just about 15 more minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a little sourdough snack. Okay, so it's been about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out and apply some purple shampoo, and I'll be back. So here's what I'm working with right now. I ran out of bleach, so I was not able to get it as saturated, especially at the bottoms. Here's little baby butt. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a toning shampoo mask and leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna tone my hair. I'm gonna tone my hair right after this. Don't put anything in your mouth, my love. Are you cleaning up? Huh? What are you doing? Very fast. Mikaya, your mommy's crazy. Yes, she is. This is way too much. Thing that I hear a lot about toners is you have to work super fast. So all I hear is Brad Mondo's voice in my head saying, get it on there, just whoop, 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 get it on there. So that's what I'm going for. All right, here we go. Starting with my root tap. I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope it doesn't turn me too dark. Alright, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna apply some more Olaplex to my hair. I definitely lost a lot of hair. So, no worries, but gonna give myself a little bit of a haircut. It's almost 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, baby's sleeping, and this mama is determined to finish her hair. I'm gonna blow dry it and see how it goes. I'm so tired, so I am ready for bed. I'm using my Revlon straightener, brush, hair dryer thing. I will post it in the links below, and I'll post all the products that I use below. I did order all of my Shades EQ products on eBay and on Walmart online, surprisingly. But everything else I was able to get on Amazon. All right, so here is the finished product. I think it turned out a little bit more gray and ashy than I would like for it to have been. I feel like overall it looks pretty cool. I definitely love how I blended everything, and I was really glad that I was able to see some more dimension be put into my hair. But because I'm not super thrilled with the ashiness and the grayness, I'm gonna do what's called chelating, I think that's how you pronounce it, my hair. And I will show you guys the final product. I'm gonna be using Dawn dish soap at first, and then I'm gonna put some lemon juice in my hair to sit, and then I'll rinse it out with some conditioner. Hopefully this will remove some of the toner and get me a little bit more icy white and less titanium silvery gray. All right, so here is the finished product. I am really excited about it. I definitely could have toned a little bit further down, but I felt like just after doing all of the work to remove that ashy gray toner, I did Dawn dish soap, I did lemon, I did some cinnamon, some chamomile tea, I did several washes, and I think it turned out so beautiful. So hope you guys learned from my mistakes and my failures, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.